Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon located at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, click on this gear next to clipboard instead. Click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and tap on the now visible microphone icon. If you never used voice typing before, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!